Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Hey traders, John Howell here. Hope you guys are well. So if you've watched my few market updates over the last week, you know that I'm getting a bit of a slight bearish tone to the markets right now. I say that we are, in yesterday's video, I was like, we're starting to slow in the markets. And so I want to give you a bit of an update on what's going on right now, what happened today, and what's the story unfolding in front of us. So that's what I'm going to be talking about right now today. But before I do start, guys, I want to say a big congratulations to all my private clients. I'm so proud of them. On this big crash last month, we took advantage of some really good opportunities. We got out of some positions today. I personally got out of a trade for 236% return out of a trade when I bought on the dip on the crash. One of my other private clients got a 210% return on that trade. And then I actually had one of my private clients say that his entire account is up from the crash, up 20% just from the crash alone, which was only a month or so ago as well too. So his account is up, his whole account is up 20%. I'm just blown away, absolutely blown away, and I cannot believe. And I'm so excited for all you private clients out there that are listening to me. I'm so proud of you. You guys are rocking and crocking. You know, you're taking really good trades. Not only did we take advantage of this crash, and now we've actually profited from the crash as well too. But last week you took a trade, and that made some of you guys got up to 100% return on that short-term cash flow trade as well too. So you guys are benefiting from this overall. And so I just want a big shout out to everyone through there. And for you guys that are still struggling right now, I got something for you. My private coaching program is normally $10,000, but for the very first person only, I want to help one person out. Very first person only to email me at Howell, H-O-W-E-L-L, howtrader@gmail.com, howtrader@gmail.com. Can get my coaching for $2,500, but it's for one person only, and that is it. Okay, I've been getting so many emails of people saying, John, I need your help, I need your help, I need your help. And so now what I'm doing is my coaching program is actually closed right now, but just for one person only, I am going to help them out. So for one person, $2,500 instead of 10. Email me at Howell, H-O-W-E-L-L, trader@gmail.com. And for the very first person to email me gets that deal, and you can come into the coaching program, hop onto the Facebook group, and I'm there every day helping you, guiding you, and making sure that you're on the right track as well too. So a big shout out to all my private clients. I'm so proud of you guys, and I feel so blessed to be part of to be your coach in the mix of helping you with a good trading system for income, and also helping you guys guide you guys through that crash that happened last month and benefit from that as well too. But for you guys but for the rest of you guys, let's have a look here at what's going on right now in the markets. Okay, it's so interesting what's going on right now in the markets. Okay, because yesterday I talked about how this is getting off the cliff, right? This is about to fall off the cliff right now, and it's like, hang on a minute. This is not right. You know what I mean? Like, we're supposed to be getting a V bottom. This is not a V bottom, what we're seeing right now. And I'm just calling it the way it is. I originally thought, hang on a minute, we've got a big gap up here on the Dow Jones. But my, that gap may not be filled. Well, it may be filled later on, right? But right now, as I'm reading the markets, as I'm listening to the markets, it's not looking good. And yesterday I said it's about to fall off the cliff. And second warning, it's about to happen. We are getting very weakness in the markets through here, right? Absolutely weakness in the markets. And so look at this here. If I squeeze my chart a bit more, I'll bring this chart up here, right? Look at this here. Look what's happening through here right now. We are starting to really get a lot of weakness out of these markets. And let me show you what I mean by that here, okay? If you see, look at this here. Notice this buying leg. Up, and then a nice pullback. Fantastic. Up, sideways, up. Pullback. Nice, fantastic. Sideways. Oh, slightly up. Pullback. And it's like, there's like, there's that thing again, right? It's like, so as you can see, right, it's like, this little blip to the upside. Notice how we're getting weaker, and so we had a nice strong move, nice move, but getting weak and then weaker, right? So, and we had a bit of a down day today as well too, a bit of a strong selling down day. So I would not be too quite surprised, guys, if we started to see this. Now, how far it drops, I don't know. I don't believe we're going to get to the actual lows down here, but hey, again, shoot the messenger. Who knows? Who knows what's going to happen there, right? But I see at least a drop down to 21,000 once we break out of this channel. Now, guys, as you guys know, right, we need confirmation. Once we break out of that, there we're probably running to the 21,000. We could actually hold here and continue up, but I don't know. If I was a betting man, which I'm not really a betting man. I don't really bet the markets. I just take advantage of them. I just take advantage, as most of my private clients, as you saw at the start of this video, that's what I do, is I have a trading system that generates good income, and then I take advantage of some really awesome opportunities like last month as well too. So one of my private clients' account is up 20% in a couple of months from taking advantage of that. Fantastic. And I had so many people saying they were short the markets, and I'm just like, listen, this is going to bounce. So anyway, if you actually watch my main video, that trailer video on my YouTube channel, if you go to youtube.com/trading investing, you'll be able to go to my home YouTube channel, and you'll be able to see a video there, right, of me saying, listen, we're going to bounce no matter what. We're going to bounce, and we're going to see a rally. And it's been a fantastic opportunity, right? So, but right now, as we're speaking, this is the second warning right now that we are about to see a lot more downside to come. Now, again, I don't know how much of a downside, but we're getting a lot of weakness right now coming into this. I doubt we're going to see a new test of lows, but hey, again, I don't know that's exactly, but on a short-term basis, once we break out of this level here, we need a good breakout, which it looks like we're trying to do that right now. Once we see that, then we're probably going to head back down to 21. Now, why is that? See, guys, when we're trying to analyze these markets, we can't say, well, it's going to do this for these reasons. Who gives a shit what those reasons are? You know what I mean? It's like, oh, it's going to drop because something. Or how can it drop when everything is starting to open up in America? That doesn't make sense. How did we rise on bad news, and now we might likely to fall on good news? Like, that doesn't make sense. If you try to weave in a reasoning why the market is doing something, you're going to do your head in, right? Just throw that out the window. Throw that big thing out the window, right? You're doing your head in too much. And what's really important is just to say, you know what? This is what the market is doing, and this is what it's likely to do, and I don't care the reasons why. All I know is the collective wisdom on the market, and my job is just to read it like I'm telling you right now. And the collective wisdom of the markets is probably likely to tell us what's likely to happen moving forward, because we trade the price, okay? So who cares the reasons why something is going to happen, why the market goes up, why the market goes down? Most of the time, no one knows. They're just guessing anyway. Let's find a reason why the market went down today. Oh, something bad happened. No, wrong. Right? It's like, well, they're going to say that over the last month where the market's been rising on bad news. It's like, come on now. Anyway, so just focus on the charts, guys. Don't bog yourself down too much with that sort of stuff, okay? Same for the Sp500. The exact same thing. Look at this here. Oh my goodness. So that this whole 2,950, the 3,000 level, is a major level of resistance for me. And I originally thought we're going to get to the 3,000 when we're down here at the lows. I said I had a 3,000 target. We got to 2,950, but that is also a resistance level. So we almost got to where I thought it was going to get to. But look at this here. Same thing, right? Look at this here. Strong move up, pullback. Strong move up. Slow move up, pull back. Now, see how it's struggling right now, right? We're not really getting, So we're not out of the woodworks yet. We could still continue up from here, guys. But, oh my goodness, to me, if I was a betting man, would see something like this. And if that's the case, we're probably going to see a drop back down towards the 2,050 level. And probably that's May. And then maybe even go down into June and maybe July, and then maybe pick back up again throughout the end of the year. I don't know. That's a wild guess where I got that there. Okay, massive wild guess. So it'd be really interesting to see where this goes. But right now, guys, reading the daily charts on an absolute short-term basis. Second major warning, about to go. It's about to go. This here, once again, guys, on a short-term basis, for people that are long-term buy and hold, this have obviously nothing to do with you guys. Long-term buy and hold this market right now too would not be a very, very, very good thing. I would think. So anyway, guys, that's what I'm seeing through there. And the Nasdaq also, the Nasdaq is actually making a bit of a double top. So the Nasdaq's the one that's, Nasdaq's the one that's much stronger out of these markets through here. As you can see, right, we have this trend line coming up through there. Right, we have this support level through here, another support level through here. So the Nasdaq is the outlier. Nasdaq's making a bit of a double top. So the Nasdaq's not giving me a really good reading, so it's really hard for me to say what's going on there with the Nasdaq. If I have a look at the Dow Jones, same thing. If I have a look at, this is something I've been talking with my private clients. Look at this here. Look at this JP Morgan chart. This JP Morgan chart is absolutely just getting weaker and weaker and weaker. So I actually have a target on JP Morgan. Where's that? Where was that low? I think it's like $70, wasn't it? Let me just double check that. Yes. So if I go, actually, let me just show you what I'm checking. I'm just checking the back to see where this major level of this level through here. So it looks like JP Morgan's about to go for another test to new lows. Because it's looking really weak here, right? Look at this here. And the reason why I say it's looking really weak is look at this here. We have a low, we have a lower high, right? So this is probably some form of lower high. We have a higher low, a higher high, a higher low. Look at this here. What is this? A lower high. Now, once we break this here, sellers are in control, and we're probably likely to start to see this here as well too, which is not a coincidence that the Dow Jones, if I go back here, the Dow Jones at the exact same point in time looks like it's about to do something like this as well too. So there we go, guys. That's what I see there. Oh my goodness. I tell you what, bit of a recap. The market's looking really, really, really weak right now. We may not be seeing new highs for a long time, for a long time. We may not see them this year. I originally thought that when we did get a bounce that we'd actually see new highs, but I said at least a 50 to a 60% retracement. That's what we got. We actually got that. That's why I'm out of all my long positions right now. I got out of my last position today, as I talked about at the start of this video. I really have a really, really successful trading system, so I'm just trading that. Just doing really well with that. And then also, and also my private clients are crushing it as well too, as you guys have heard. So no matter what happens, guys, it's so important to when we're viewing these markets, we view these markets with the lens of, I'm not going to throw my bias at this. Well, the market can't go down because of XXX, or the market's going to go up because of XXX, or the market's going to do this because of XXX. You know what, guys? If you're a trader of the markets, mean you're active, you're getting in and getting out, even if you're getting in and holding for a couple of days, for a week, maybe for a couple of weeks. If you're a trader, then please listen to the markets, right? It's like the market's not going to do anything because XXX. The market's going to do something because the market's going to do something, right? And how we can get a gauge of a probability basis, no certainties, of reading the markets, just like I talked about today. Hey traders, John Howell here. Thanks for watching my video. For a limited time only, I am giving away free access to my brand new trading course. I've put all my most powerful systems, strategies, and trading techniques that I've learned over the last 15 years and put it in this course, and I'm giving it away for free for a limited time. See, in this brand new Guide to the Markets by the Boys trading course, and you can get it when you go to johnsfreegift.com, you're going to learn, firstly, you're going to get access to a brand new training course for 90 minutes, and you're going to learn all the details step by step to my #1 trading system with over a 90% success rate that works on any market and any time frame. You're also going to learn 3 powerful chart reading and trading techniques. You're also going to learn 2 more powerful trading systems, and also you're going to learn 7-figure trading secrets, mindset techniques, and so much more. There's top 13 mistakes you're going to learn, the 10K per month formula, and so much more. No, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but if you are struggling with your trading right now and you need help, then for a limited time, you can get free access to this. So Go to johnsfreegift.com right now or click on the very first thing in the description because for a limited time, I'm giving away. So go to johnsfreegift.com right now and start getting access to this full complete trading course, plus also the free training with my #1 trading system with over 90% success rate. Go to that right now and I'll see you on the next page.